Welcome to today's daily message. Today I want to focus for just a couple of minutes on the gospel reading for today's liturgy. It's from the Gospel of Luke. And in this passage, Jesus goes up to the mountain to pray, and then when he comes back down, he names his apostles. I want to go through those names slowly. Simon, whom he named Peter, and his brother Andrew, James, John, Philip, Bartholomew, Matthew, Thomas, James, the son of Alphaeus, Simon, who was called a zealot, and Judas, the son of James, and Judas Iscariot, who became a traitor. These are the names of the apostles. And what I invite you to do today is to add your name to this list of the apostles, because each one of us, as a believer, as a Catholic Christian, is an apostle of the Lord. We are disciples of his. We are followers of his message. We gather together just as the apostles gathered together to listen to the word of the Lord, to share the meal of the Eucharist. We are witnesses of the presence of Jesus in the world by the way that we live. We are on journey with Jesus through this life. We are sharers both in his sufferings and in his glory. So I invite all of us to reflect on that today, to reflect on our apostleship, to know that our names, each one of our names, can be included in this list of the closest followers of Jesus. And we can be thankful and give thanks to God for that today. Thank you very much for watching and listening.